What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I was planning to probably wash the bay right here and clay bar it and wax it and probably do some wheel cleaning. The wheels are pretty dusty and dirty, and I cleaned the wagon yesterday, and yes, I don't know if it rained or my dad fucking turned on the sprinklers. RIP. I'm about to move the cars out right now, and let's get to it. I have not turned on this car in like 3 weeks, almost a month, but shit's probably gonna be loud and hopefully it starts. Oh yeah, and if you guys didn't see, I got the new lip on and it looks horrible, but fuck it. You gotta do whatever you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? Damn, I can't even talk right now. As loud as I thought it would be. Dude, it smells horrible though. Both my bays. So I did get the JZX arms for the wagon. I just need to wait on the coilovers. I don't know what coilovers I'm gonna get. And I have to get toe arms, and I don't know if I'm gonna get the rear upper control arms yet, because I don't want so much camber on that thing. But yeah. So she's in work in progress. Oh yeah, I took off the Moon Eye sticker because, yeah. Shout out to Overdue for that sticker, the Super D. I also wanted to put these on. Shout out to the homie that got me them. They're clear side markers. The homie Calvin didn't need them anymore, so he gave me some. Let's see how they look. Yo, these are clean. What the hell's in here? Some used bulbs. Super clean. Almost look brand new. Should be pop in these two bolts. Should have bolts around it, and then that's it. Just washed her up. Damn, dude, she's a beauty when she's washed. Super clean. The wheels are really hard to clean because there's a fuckload of spokes, and yeah, this wheel, like I said, if you guys watch my vlogs. Ah, my glasses. If you watch my vlogs, there's a lot of fucked up parts on the faces, but I said I was gonna get them refinished, probably in the long run. Check her out, dude. So beautiful. She's clean again. I was thinking about getting a new exhaust, because the exhaust, I don't really like the exhaust. I was actually thinking about taking out the exhaust because I recently, actually the day of Super D, I got a ticket, and it was in the wagon. I got a ticket for no proof of insurance because I didn't like print it out yet, and no front license plate. And I was like, for real? But I guess the cop had to give me something. So yeah, I'm waiting for that ticket to come in. and I just didn't want to deal with anything. It was funny because he asked if this car was stock. I was like, bruh, look, it's like a mom's car, for real. And he told me to pop the hood. So I was like, alright, I guess. Pop the hood. The dude didn't even look inside it. But anyways, forget it. But the bay is clean now. For that chip. The ghetto paint is holding up for a little. But that'll do for now. Let's get those side markers on because those are ugly as hell. So it's a 10 mil for the side markers. It's like a little bolt on the other side. There's 2 of them. So let's get that off right now. Can't just twist the whole thing off. Oh! Yep. It looks like it's a spacer and it's like a nut on the other side. Yep, the other side's right here too. Coming off. Yeah, it's the whole thing. And then the side markers just have those 2 screws on those sides. Yeah. Well, mine was even bolted on because it's always hanging. And there you go. See, there's 2 of them. And just go on the other side. So it's pretty simple. So here it is. And with the new, out with the old. I don't like how it's like amber like that though. I just didn't put one in. That looked weird. Here we go. Check this fitment out. Perfect. Dude, it looks so nice. Put it up. Clear sides. Dude, that looks so much better. I need new headlights though. That's a problem. I've been fucking waiting forever. But those side markers look great. They actually look really clean with the wheels. Markers are in. Looking good, hell yeah. What the fuck? Anyways. She looks great. I still need to raise this side because it looks way higher, or lower. This side's way higher. I just want to match that side over there, the right side with the left. It'll look good after that. Hell yeah. What's going on, guys? I just got back to Dallas's. And look at Gus's new car. It's always in...
New to me.
Yeah, new to him.
Old to someone else.
What'd you do with the Altima, bro?
It's gone. I traded it for this.
Yeah.
Don't judge me.
It's 2012 Altima for a fucking 1989 240. He also sold his other 240 to Ricky's girlfriend. And now he's probably gonna buy another car because I don't know if he's gonna drift this one. What?
Hey.
Huh?
Followers.
You
You guys got a nice car. Maybe. I don't know. Alright. If anybody's selling anything for 3K, hit me up. Let me know. In the
comments below.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because he was gonna buy one of our homies' car, but as of now, probably not anymore. And he needs another car because you can't be driving this every day.
Who said I couldn't?
Well, you could, but you shouldn't. There's Bay. Got in this BZ.
I got this LS. So yeah, it wasn't a boo fast trade. Just kidding. Real life.
It's actually pretty clean. Way cleaner than his $65 paint job 240 that we vlogged about. Oh, you took off the silencer?
Yeah, I cut it off.
Bro, your car didn't even sound loud as my other one.
Dude, that shit was loud as fuck.
No, it's not. You're stupid. That was not loud, dude.
Yeah, but look what it sounds like now.
It sounded like a rotary for a second. Dude, I love the coupe taillights, bro. Way better than a hatch, in my opinion. I'd rather have a coupe than a hatch, honestly.
Hear that VA rumble? Or dun dun dun.
You're a fool. Sounded like a rotary. Started with like. The gas headlight. One's white.
Can't be racist.
White is right. Stock as fuck. You said this was out of S14?
Yeah.
So what, you're saying he swapped it in here?
No, he bought it as a shop.
Oh.
And then he built the whole damn fucking car. So the way you can tell is this, supposedly this fucking C-notch, this little thingy, there's a bolt back there.
Mm-hmm. That's it?
You can tell whether it's S14 or S13. Okay.
Damn, those headers are fucking gross. Well, we'll see if he sells it. Within a week or two. Hey, 230,562. Engine's not here still.
No.
Not yet.
And all I bought was this hose. That's all I could afford. So.
Rip. Yeah, but his white pipe is for sale. The new banners are lit. Super lit. Bro, you really gotta take that banner off, bro. It's not even a banner, it's like a fucking rusted up poster.
Bitch. Budweiser for life.
You don't even drink.
All you drink is water.
Stay hydrated, my friends.
Thanks for watching, guys. That'll be the end of the video. I hope you guys like those side markers, because those side markers are clean. Pretty cheap, too. You guys should pick it up, because it's a really cheap mod. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll be back with another vlog, and Boba Fiend gave me the shits. I have to take a fat shit right now, so I'll see you guys later.